I'm here in Coquitlam at the Allison building by Mosaic. It was completed in 2023 and it's just like new. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, over 900 square feet and an effective floor plan. I love how there's 10-foot high ceilings and you're on the very top floor. I'm Elliot Chan at the Partners. Let's go take a look. Here on the top floor, we've got 10-foot high ceilings and a really great floor plan for the 2 beds and 2 baths here. We've also got 2 parking stalls, 1 is EV ready, and your own storage locker. You're gonna love being a corner unit as well. Lots of southern sunlight, as well as great views to the south. Location is excellent too. You're minutes to Lougheed Mall, the SkyTrain, Vancouver Golf Club, and for commuters, you're near Highway 1. Allison has all the amenities you're looking for and more, including this great outdoor space for the kids and for adults to entertain. Yes, there's a meeting room and of course a gym to get your workout on.